Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ruby Tigranes. My topic is all about safety important when doing aerobics. 1. Always warm up and cool down. Ginagawa ang warm up at cool down para ma-prepare at ma-relax ang katawan para maiwasan ng injury. 2. Wear proper clothing and shoes. Mahalaga ang damit at sapatos para maging comfortable at safe habang nag-aerobics. 3. Drinking enough water. Kailangan uminom ng sapat na tubig para hindi ma-dehydrate at madaling mapagod ang katawan. 4. Do not overexert yourself. Huwag pilitan ang sarili kapag pagod na para maiwasan ang mahilo at ma-injury.